Hello everyone, this is VU3CQM. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a software programming cable for radio transceivers like Baofeng, Voxon, Kenwood or any other similar handheld radios. So let's get started. For this, we need a aux cable, preferably a 2.5mm to 3.5mm. Also, we need 3 female jumper wires and 2.5mm shrink tube. In a nearby local electronics store, I was able to find only a 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable. So I had to buy a 3.5mm to 2.5mm adapter. Measure 15 cm from one end of the connector and clip it. Repeat the same from the other end. Now we have two pieces of aux cable. Take any one piece of cable. Use a wire stripper and remove the plastic jacket from about 2 cm from the tip. Repeat the same procedure for the other piece of cable. As I have identical connectors, I have labeled them to avoid confusion. Let's check the pins that needs to be soldered. Start with 2.5mm labeled connector. We require a multimeter for checking the continuity. Checking the continuity of the ground wire, that should be black, and the TX wire should be green. Repeat the same with 3.5mm labeled connector. Here, the ground wire will be the RX pin. We require only one side of the jumper wire, which will be later connected to a USB to TTL module. Divide the wires at the center and clip it. Now let's prepare the jumper wires. Use a wire stripper and remove the plastic jackets of all the 3 wires. We have to solder the aux cable to the jumper wires. Cut a piece of 2 cm heat shrink and insert in the wire. I am using a 5mm heat shrink tube to cover the entire joint, which is optional. Solder the joints firmly. Clip the extra wire if any. I am using a gas lighter to mold the shrink tube. Let's work on the other cable. First, insert the shrink tubes. Heat the shrink tube. We have almost completed the programming cable. Let's recheck the connections before closing the joints. If anytime you mix up the jumper wires, refer to the wiring image. The connections are correct. Move the 5 mm heat shrink tube and heat it. Done. The software programming cable is ready. We can use this cable with any of the USB to TTL modules. In the next video, I will demonstrate about programming the Baofeng UV5R handy and explain the software part. So stay tuned.